The temple of Wat Yai Chai Mongkon is located in the south of Ayutthaya province, central Thailand. This temple was built in the mid-14th century during the Ayutthaya period. It's now more than 650 years old. The old temple draws locals and tourists alike for its historical landmarks. The highlights are the majestic pagoda standing behind the prayer hall, the long line of Buddha images, and the reclining Buddha. Visitors can climb the pagoda for the view beyond the prayer hall. The reclining Buddha is famous among the locals who want to make a wish. They toss coins around the feet of Buddha for an entire minute, then make a wish. If their wishes come true, the coin will stay with the feet when it leaves their fingers. Wat Yai is open daily from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The best time to visit is late afternoon when the tourists are gone and the weather is not too hot. Just behind the huge pagoda, there is a small leafy park where you can sit and find some peace.